Open your glove box. Wiggle the glove box left and right, unlocking the locking tab. Remove these 4 screws. Place it in the safe place without losing. This is your air filter. Pull and remove it slowly. The left is the old one and the right is the new. Maintain the airflow, the direction correctly before inserting it. The airflow must face the inside of the car. This is what the new air filter looks like. Slide the air filter into the box. Now tight the 4 screw that you removed recently. Now close the glove box after installing the cabin air filter. Now you are ready for fresh air inside your car. Thank you everyone.